The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Frederick County and north-central Maryland, southern Washington County and north-central Maryland, northeastern Shenandoah County and northwest Virginia, northern Warren County and northwest Virginia, city of Winchester in northwest Virginia, southeastern Frederick County in northwest Virginia, Clark County in northwest Virginia, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, southern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, until 8:30 a.m. At 7:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Brunswick to Berryville, 28 miles southwest of Strasburg, and were moving east at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Nearsville, Brunswick, Front Royal, Ballinger Creek, Point of Rocks, Round Hill, Lamont, Purcellville, St. Louis, Delaplane. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.